Hello, welcome to channel Maison Network, and now you with me Dior with doing unboxing. And I just bought this 4K TV, 40-inch Malaysian TV, brand Megra. So this is it. Let me show you the details. Yeah, it's a 4K. The name of item is D40 after the brand, and then let's see from here, 40-inch. Yeah, model D40. There you go. And then what's at the back? HDMI got 4, one is ARC, and then USB 2.0, and then Wi-Fi built-in, and also DVB-T built-in. And that's Megra from Suruhanjaya. And then these are the details. Below H2.4 USB signal output, very good actually. And G-Saver, wide enhancer, Android 9, and 4K. Yeah. So let's unboxing. I already tried it just now, so just seal it back. It's actually plastic, not chrome or what, but it looks like cheap for the stand. And then remote control, and manual. IP45 for internet, and then auto scan everything. Done. Okay. So this is the TV. Inch. That's a barcode. Let's see. There, Megra, the name, the brand. Okay. This is front. On the side, it's nothing. Yeah. Oh, got this. USB 2.0, the first one, and then TV out, video out, and then you have this USB, the second one, and then HDMI behind there, number and also below. Got it? Yeah, there's HDMI, RJ45, and then the antenna, audio out, 3.5 mm, and also the coaxial out. warranty remove. Okay, what remove? Oh, and then power cord, and on the side manual tuning. I mean manual. If you lost your remote control, so there. The stand. If you put the stand, how does it look like? It will be like this. I'm not going to screw it because I will use wall bracket, so just give you an idea how it look. Okay, that's it.